pledge is that I will be pilot and I will help everyone. Pilot.
Yeah, he's a pilot. Great. You see, this is the spirit. We love Pakistan.
My pledge to my country is that when I will grow up, I will be the scientist like Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan, who helped Pakistan in making the nuclear power.
Inshallah, we have a bright future. We have here students who are going to make Pakistan a great nuclear nation.
When I will grow up, I will be army and save Pakistan and destroy India.
Strong army, wow, great!
My pledge is to help people who need for like people money and all this.
He is going to help the people in Pakistan. Great!
I will open as much educational institution as possible and I am proud to be a Pakistani!
The next generation of Pakistan is going to make Pakistan literacy 100%.